Let's take a look at the filters feature of Insight POS Cloud. Filters are a super powerful way to edit your items or view your reports. Let's look at how to edit items with filters. If you go into your Manage Items screen, up at the top right, you'll see a little filter icon. If you click there, you'll get some options. If you haven't saved any preset filters yet, you'll want to click on New Filter and then click Add Filter. From here, you can choose from a whole bunch of different criteria to filter down your items. Let's try one. We're going to choose brand, and I'm going to say brand equals, and I'll choose 7-Up. You can also choose multiple other brands at the same time if you'd like. So let's do 7-Up and just hit apply. And now I can see all of the items that are brand equals 7-Up. Let's do a filter now with more than one criteria. We're going to do new filter, add filter. We'll say brand equals camel. And that's going to give us all of our camel products. But I don't want to see all of the products. I just want to see the cartons. So I'll also add another filter and do size equals carton. And now I'm just seeing my camel cartons. Now, if this is a filter set that you're going to want to use more than once, you can come over here to the right side and click on the little save and give it a name. Hit save. And now the next time you come in and click your filters, scroll down, you'll see your saved one there. And with one click, you can filter out all your items. Let's look at a couple of other useful filters. We can filter out everything in a certain department. We can use description and do description contains. We can choose all the items created on a certain date. We can see all the items that were updated on a certain date. So if you make a bunch of price changes today, you can view all of the items that you updated today, and so on and so forth. Browse through and filter however you'd like. If you sell tobacco products, you'll know that Marlboro changes their prices every few months or so. So maybe you want to save your Marlboro packs. Come here, click Marlboro packs, and you have all your items. Now you can quickly just choose whichever ones you want, or all of them, and hit group change and change all the prices at once. Another super useful use of filters is in the item sales report. Here I've run all of my sales from January till today. I can come over to my filters and I'll see all of my filters here as well. Come down, find my Marlboro packs, click on it, and see all the Marlboro packs I sold. And those are just a few examples of how you can utilize the filters feature in Insight POS Cloud. Thanks for watching this video walkthrough. For more information, email support@insightrs.com or visit us at insightrs.com.